Another thing that we're doing here at the Minnesota Institute of Public Health is we are using Google Apps or Google applications. We realize that these tools are very effective when we talk about doing some collaboration. Google Docs, for example, is a tool that allows to actually collaborate online. In other words, you can create a Word document in Google Docs and share it with other people. And you can have other people actually just to view it or change content. And so when, it has been very effective for us even when we're conducting trainings and we want to actually work on the agenda and work on the content of the trainings, we use Google Docs. And so we have everything in one place instead of having several copies of the same document, through different emails. And the way that we've done that is actually using Google Docs, and he's been very effective. One of the things that we are going to be doing soon is we're going to be migrating our email server to Google email server. And I know that probably, there are people that are very skeptical of doing that because you will not have control to a certain point of your own email server here. But we believe it's very cost effective. Google is a huge company, and they've been able to actually provide, I believe, good service in regards of their email system and Google Apps. I did quite a bit of research and found that there's actually international companies that have branches all over the world using Google Apps. There is actually strong evidence that I think this is the right way for us to go. Of course, this might not work for everybody, and it depends on what you do. But for us, we are an organization of about 40 people. You might have organizations that are even bigger than that, and Google Apps might be the right tool for you to go. I mean, it's up to you in terms of what you want to accomplish, whether the data that you're working with is top secret, or you're working with formulas, or you're working with things that you don't want other people to see. I understand that some people might be skeptical about having this and so at somebody else's server. But for us, this is not the case. I think this is the right way for us to go. In terms of finances, it makes sense. And by us doing that, it will actually free up some of our time, IT time, to actually work on other projects that we need to actually work on. And so, again, Google Docs and Google Apps, another example that we use actually Google Apps is we have created forums in which, you can create forms very easily using Google and embedded those forms in our intranet to actually get some feedback from our employees. So, that's the benefits are, we already started seeing the benefits of actually using Google Docs or Google Apps. And so in terms of video, we started using video quite a bit too. So again, we see the benefits of using that. So for us, I think it has been proven to be more beneficial than negative. And so, and that's one of the reasons why we decided to go that route.